learn MySQL Union. MySQL Union is an operator that allows us to combine two or more results from multiple select queries into a single result set. Union must follow these basic rules. The number and order of the columns should be the same in all tables that you are going to use. Second rule is the data type must be compatible with the corresponding positions of each select query. And third rule is the column names selected in the different select queries must be in the same order. Here you can see MySQL Union syntax. Select column list from table 1 union select column list from table 2. After that we will see MySQL Union with order by clause as well as MySQL Union all. First, we are going to see MySQL Union and how it works with database. Open your MySQL command line client. Now MySQL is started. Here you can use any database. For union, you have to need to create two tables which contains the same fields. But I have already created both tables. Here you can see this is the first table and this is second table. I have already inserted value into both tables. This is first table value, or you can say records into first tables. This is second table records. Now we perform union operation. In syntax we have already seen select column list from table 1 union select column list from table 2. We have to just here apply that. Select star from table 1 which is the student 11 union select star from table 2. Table 2 is the student 12. Here you can see in this output you can see the MySQL Union uses the heading of the column name of the result set the same as the column name of the first select statement. Sometimes you want to change the heading of the column name of the output with a different heading. You can do this by using the column aliases explicitly in the first select statement. Here I will show you how to do that. Just use select. In this query, here you can see how I change the column's name. Select student name as a student name, student ID as a student ID, subject as subject, student subject, and marks as a marks from student 11 union select all records from student 12. Here you can see in above query what is the column name, and in this last query here you can see what is the column name. Now we move to the MySQL Union with order by. It's same like union, but after the second query, or we can say after the second table, we have to just add order by column name. Again, by using select command, select star from. Here I just star is used for to display all the records from the table. Select star from table 1. Table 1 is the student 11 union. Select star from table 2. Table 2 is nothing but the student 12. And here we have to use order by clause. Order by, and we have to just mention that which column we have to use. Here I use student ID. Here you can see select star from student 11 union, select star from union 12. Then I have used order by clause on the specified column, which is nothing but the student ID. Here we got the output. uh, the data is sorted by using ascending order, and this order by clause is used on the student ID column. Here you can see we got output in ascending order, and it is based on the student ID. Now we will move to the last point, which is the MySQL union all. We have already seen syntax of MySQL union all. Select column list from table 1, union all, select column list from table 2. It's the same like union, but there is a minor difference between union and union all. First we perform the query. Again you select command, select star from table 1. Table 1 is nothing but the student 11. Then union all, select star from table 2. Here you can see we got the output of union all. This is this is first table record, and this is second table record. Both table records are combined, and then we got the output. But during the union we have seen, if we perform the query, that time we got output as that of if there is a in first table as well as in second table, if there is a the same query or same, we can say same record, that time it accept only distinct, or we can say only unique record. But in union all, it combines records of first table as well as records from the second table. This is the major difference. In simple language, we can say in union all command, it does not remove the duplicate rows from the result set, but in union it can remove the duplicate rows from the result set. This is the major difference between union all and union. Thank you guys.